Welcome back to the channel, guys. Got this new Novarossi Mephisto. Can hopefully break it in today. Hasn't even been started, hasn't seen fuel yet, so I have to swap out the ultimate engine, put this new one in, connect up the fuel lines, the hose and the exhaust system, prime it, and hopefully we can get it fired. Really looking forward to getting this. I've heard great things about this engine. The RPMs on it are pretty high, so my next test will be breaking it in and hopefully getting a few speed runs on it with that GPS tracker I got. Whereabouts is it? With the Sky RC tracker. Really helpful bit of kit that is. So yeah, I'll go ahead and I'll swap this engine over and see if we can start it. So I'll speak to you in a minute. That's the engine. I'll be using the pipe from the Ultimate engine, as I have not bought one for the Novarossi yet. So yeah, I'll be swapping that over shortly now. Well, we get the exhaust hook now. Pop that over like that. Whoops, is that off? Now it's just a matter of time of just attaching the new one onto it. Snug fit as always. Stretch that right around. Excellent. Battery's finished charging for work. Great bit of kit that is. Just to hook the springs on the exhaust so you don't catch them on your fingers. So I'll go ahead and insert this into the car now. Welcome back, guys. Engine's in, the fuel line's connected. I've primed the engine, so now I'm just going to whack the engine heater on it and leave it heat up and see if it'll start. But this engine does look pretty nice in this buggy. I really like the silver up the top. It looks really nice. But yeah, I really look forward to getting this going. So I'll whack the engine heater on it now and leave it heat up for about 5 minutes, and then see if it starts, hopefully. Yeah, guys, it's been on there for about, I left it on for about 10 minutes just to make sure the engine's up to temperature. So we'll go ahead and try and start it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How if I turn the bump box on? Whilst that's running now, I'm going to do 3 tanks just on idle, and hopefully it should be okay. The start is quite easy, which is good, always good, but normally these Novarossis can be a bit of a pain. But I'll just leave it singing there now for a while. Yeah, guys, that's tank 1 done. Took about 35 minutes. The neighbours must absolutely hate me. So I was going to go for tank 2 and 3 now, doing the same, and on the weekend I'll get it out and carry on with the braking procedure. So cheers for watching, guys. Please hit that subscribe button and comment below. Thank you.